पचका हो गया भाई. Google Map is trying to take me right over here. This is the right he's talking about. There's no road over here, man. Hello Mandari, welcome back to the vlog. Here we go. So yesterday I had gone for a small ride, but it did not satisfy my soul. So here I am going on a solo ride to somewhere crazy. I am going to Tillari, which is around 66 kilometers with around good elevation, about 1500. So let's see if I can conquer that fort. So here we go. It's been a long time since I've done a solo ride as such. Today I thought of giving it a go to relive the young Prathamesh which used to go every now and then to explore some new roads. So yeah, here we are to relive the youngness, the wild Prathamesh. Let's go. So yesterday around the same time, like plus 2 hours or something, it was all wet over here. I was playing in the water flows on the road, and here we are with all kadkadit earth. Such is the climate nowadays in Goa. So it is around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I am planning to reach Tillari Dam by around 5 at least. Let's see, with an average of 20 kilometers per hour, I think I should be able to reach. Mine is around 66 kilometers, so I am going to go at a constant pace of around 20-22. I am okay with it. I'll have my break at 33 kilometer mark. Apparently I was supposed to take a left turn around 5 to 6 kilometer down the lane, and I have come a bit forward. Google Maps, Google Didi did not say a word. Let's go. What to do?
Gone big. Gone big, gone big. Hey, yeah. We gone big, gone big.
That 6 kilometer down the lane also had big chatti.
Don't trip, gotta get it how you live. Hey, yeah. We gone big, gone big. We gone big, gone big. We gone big, gone big. Don't trip, gotta get it how you live. Hey, doing bad, yo, I understand the crash out. Leave them on skates, baby, get your map out. Let it ride, I don't cash out. Seatbelt gang, leave me
Currently, according to the Google Maps, I am currently in Maharashtra. I have crossed the border. Let's go. My dear.
Shooting shots from the stands now. We never got a handout.
Ain't there no subtle shit. Running, never walking, told them never mind my government. I don't want no credit, this the first time I discovered it. Who can block my shot? There's nobody, yes, none of them. Seeking competition, have you seen it? Was eating, give a grapevine, talking about arenas. On the beat, you know I leave, I'm a genius.
So, since this was a spontaneous ride, I could not plan anything out. So, I don't have any eatables currently. I am only with sugar water and my determination. So much confidence. So let's see if I survive or not. You will know by end of this video. Ram Ram. So I have been reading all the names of the village. It's pretty cool names. Khalchiwadi, Vajre and Chikle. I don't remember, but it's been interesting. Now the elevation and the sun intensity is eating me up. To balance that, I also have to eat something. But it's kind of a village road and I missed the opportunity on the last city over there. So I don't know, if I find one shop, I'll hop onto it and have something to eat. Hope for the best. Barbons and some chickies have been loaded. She is also hungry like me.
take in. Money goes for the high, goes side to side, it's a lot to rake in. On a 100-day run, about 100 days in. On go from road to road, looking like where my days went. Wake up, amen. Used to be caged in, spread wings, dead fly. Ain't been the same since. Deep breath, take 10. A lot to take in. Blue bills stack high. Might need a safe quick. Blue collar, white collar, yeah, I do them both. Blue dollar, white dollar, yeah, I got them both. New money, old money, got both by the load. Who money, true money, wrapped in it on fold. No, I don't discriminate. Man, I got kids to feed. I hustle, I don't hate. From here to the 7 seas. More problems on my plate. What these gotta do with me? Collecting, I handle things. Man, it's nothing new to me. Clock it, watch this. I bet you can't top this. I see you, you not this. I go pro, you novice. Clock it, watch this. I bet you can't top this. I see you, you not this. I go pro, you novice.
So they say never to trust Google Maps. I've got a practical example over here. Google Map is saying to take me right, trying to take me right over here, but this is the right he's talking about. I don't think so. There's no road over here, man. Pachka ho gaya bhai. Let's see if I can take some other route. I have got a different route. I searched for it, and let's see if it proves me good. Same distance. Let's see. To go left, and I think so from map also is saying to go left only, but I don't trust both, but let's trust the instinct. I'll take the left only. I see an elephant signboard also. Bismillah. There's the dam, if you can see, a big wall in the north. Here comes Jon Snow. You know nothing, Jon Snow. It's raining, bro. Oh, let's secure the phone. Every pedal worth it, man. Still I have not reached the top summit, but this view, I waited for this. Too good. Let's ascend. Climb to the north. It's one view after another. I climbed just 50 meters above, and here's one more view. Classic. We have finally reached the Tilari viewpoint of the dam point. Now I am saying that my soul is satisfied. I had taken off from Marshall at around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I have reached here at around 4:45. So it took me 2 hours 45 minutes of cycling to come here. So it will take me same amount to reach back home, and it is going to be 8 o'clock, I think so, of the night. That's where I am going to reach. But craziness should not stop, brothers. Too good. According to the situation, I have decided to take the highway. I know it's going to be evening and it's going to be dark. Taking the internal roads, I'll be a food for tigers or some pretty animal. I had stopped now at some local store, gave her 10 rupees water bottle. She was like, take it, don't pay. It's good to like give others water. Like, that's what like in this world full of negative things, you should focus on positive. Life becomes easier. So apparently the route which I have chose goes through the ferry. Waiting for the ferry currently. So here we are, we have reached home. Yeah, it was a thrill ride, I should say. spontaneous one of the best spontaneous ones. I have done many spontaneous rides in my past, just did not record it, but this one, it will be on top of the list. Tilari waves, too good, roads, bit of tuck, but it was totally fine. The views balanced it out. So yeah, at the end I will always say, if no one comes, do it alone. You believe yourself and just go for it. Plan it accordingly. And yeah, I did not plan it a bit, I got a bit of cramps and all, but yeah, if you plan it good, you are good to go. You can achieve anything. So yeah, that's it for the video. See you on the next adventure, on the next thrill, on the next spontaneous plan. See you.